Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're talking about how to get free tons of coins for Dreame application. As you can see, for my mobile devices, this application Dreame++ is already installed, and this application works for Android or iOS devices. And now in this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to get unlimited coins in Dreame application and how to get this application for your mobile devices. Okay, to get free coins, all you need to do, we must enter amount of coins as we want. Okay, press next, and now everything is already generated for our account, so we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open and every coins will be generated for our account. And okay, this is it. Now I get unlimited coins in Dreame application. This Dreame++ application works for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices? Basically, it's very easy method. And now Dreame++ is already installed in my mobile devices. It's super easy, so enjoy and thank you for watching.